My name is Liz Winhouse, and I am the Enrollment Coordinator at Temple Ambler. In this video, I'll walk you through how to apply to Temple Ambler through the Common Application. So after you've created your account through the Common Application, you'll be able to go to the College Search tab here, and you'll simply type in Temple University into the search bar. You'll see Temple is already checked off because I've already added it to my dashboard, but you will normally see this blue circle here with the plus sign to add the college. So that's where you will add Temple University by just clicking that. Later on in the application process, you will be able to select Ambler specifically when you are applying. I'm going to show you how to apply to Temple University Ambler. So in the Common Application, you're going to navigate to the My Colleges tab here, and that's where Temple University will show after you have selected it. And then there's going to be a number of questions that Temple is looking to gather in regards to your application. After you fill out the general section here, you will click on the academic section, and this is where you will indicate what campus you would like to apply to. So you'll see the question, what is your first choice campus? And there you'll simply go to the drop down and click Ambler, and then you will indicate what major you're interested in. So again, you'll click the drop down, scroll through, pick which major you are interested in, and then continue on with your application. I am going to show you how to apply to Temple as an early action applicant or for regular decision. So after you add Temple to My Colleges, you will see College Information tab here, which just goes over some basic information about Temple University admissions and our application deadlines. So here you can see for fall of 2021, first-year students can choose to apply for early action or for rolling admissions, which we also call regular decision. So students that apply for early action have an application deadline of November 1st and are guaranteed a decision by January 10th. Or students can apply for regular decision, which is also known as rolling admissions, with a deadline of February 1st. All early action applicants are reviewed for admission before regular decision applicants, and we generally admit students at a higher rate who apply early action. Those who apply for regular decision typically receive an admissions decision 4 to 8 weeks after your application is complete. So to indicate your preference, you will go ahead and click on the Questions tab here. Once the questions open up, you will see a general section which will ask your student status. So you'll indicate your status there, as well as your preferred start term and then preferred admissions plan. So the preferred admissions plan is where you will indicate whether you want to apply as an early action student or for rolling admissions. I am going to show you how to apply to Temple with or without your standardized test scores. As you may or may not know, Temple is test optional. So if you believe an SAT or ACT score would complement your application, you should submit your scores. Standardized test scores are otherwise entirely optional and in no way required for admission. So in the Common Application, you will find this under the Questions section to indicate how you would like to apply. So under Test Optional, you will see here more information about our Test Optional admissions policy, and then you will choose here which option you would like. You can either choose to submit your test scores, indicating that you want your test scores included in the review of your application, or you can apply Test Optional to not include your test scores in the review of your application. We do advise you to choose carefully, as once your selection is made and your application is submitted, it cannot be changed. We do encourage you to talk with your family and your guidance counselor for assistance with choosing which option is best for you. And also please note that homeschooled applicants, recruited athletes, and international applicants are not eligible to apply test optional.